Hello again, crafty people, and time to paint. Today I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to use this one. This is my kind of silicone wedge tool, and it has little jagged teeth along the bottom there, and I've used it for a swipe before and it was quite successful. So I thought today I would use some of these larger canvases. I bought some. These are from Jerry's Artorama. If you look back in my earlier videos, I will link to it up in the corner. Is it that corner or that corner? I can never remember. One of these corners is going to have a little eye icon, and if you click on there, it gives you related links and videos, things that are related to this one. So I'll put a link up to my Jerry's, and this is where I bought these canvases. These are, I think, 10 by 20? Yes, I think these are 10 by 20. So I'm going to put two together, so that they basically then make a square. This will be 20 by 20, and I want to make two matching swipes. But I'm going to use my zigzaggy tool, and I'm going to swipe in opposite directions, like windscreen wipers. So the first swipe will go this way, the next swipe will go that way, and so on, until we've gone swipey, 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 all up and down these canvases. So in terms of my colours, I have got a regular white, which I'm going to use as my swipe colour. Then I've got two different colours of blue, I think a cobalt blue and an ultramarine blue, and two different colours of orange, a lighter one and a darker one. And of course, because everything looks better with gold or metallics, I have a random gold. So I'm going to lay my paints out, I think, so that the colours match-ish. It's never going to be exact, but they're kind of match. White will be on the outside. I've already gone ahead and actually painted the edges of these canvases white, so I can allow the paint kind of to dribble off the sides without having to completely cover it, because I know they've had two coats of white, so they're good. So I'm going to put one fast forward while I layer up the colours, and then we'll come back for the swipe. Okay, well that looks pretty crazy, doesn't it? I hope these colours are going to kind of work together. It's a lot of paint to waste if not, but hey, I just enjoy doing it. Let's worry about the success later. Okay, so I have my swipey tool. I think I'm going to put the canvases right up close together, so that my tool effectively doesn't kind of go down the gaps as I'm swiping across. And mess everywhere. Okay, we'll see what we're going to do. I'm going to start here and swipe this way, and then come back the other way. Let's get something to clean off my swipey tool. And I think we're ready to go. Okay, so far so good. Let's go back this other way. Oh, what's going on? That way, for some reason, left kind of funny shapes and didn't swipe so well. I should probably do that again. Should I do that again? Oh no, what a mess. What should I do? Let's clean this tool off again, because I can see I got some bits in the white. Oh, okay. Perhaps I didn't press hard enough. I didn't swipe it enough. Let's put a bit more white on and we'll swipe again. Okay, here we go. Swipey, swipey. Okay, that's better. I got more of a swipe. It'll probably be a bit muddier, that swipe, because obviously I've done that one twice. Okay, let's give it a good clean and swipe back this way. Okay, doing good. Yeah, I like it so far. One more back the other way. Okay, it's looking like I thought it was going to. Okay, I think we've got space for 2 more swipes. And the last one, back this way. I've got a couple of little areas again where it didn't swipe. I think probably because I did it a little bit lightly. If I press it harder, I kind of drag the paint a bit more and it swipes a bit more. But if I do it a little bit lightly, it doesn't move as much paint and I get the shapes, and those are really nice in themselves. Maybe I should just do a painting like that one day. That's an idea. And not worry about dragging it too much and making a swipe. Do this little bit here. There we go, I can swipe that little bit, and then a bit there, just to try and make it match. Oh, got some blue on my top. Okay, that looks pretty cool, pretty good, I like it. There's quite a lot of paint where I've got the ridges, but it's created quite a nice line. Okay, so let's just run a torch over it and get rid of any bubbles that we might have created by swiping the paint about. I think it's good, and now I'll separate these pieces so the paint can kind of run down in the middle there. Oh, it looks good. Okay, so I'm calling that one a success. I really didn't know what was going to happen. I don't see a lot of the gold right now. Do you know, recently this gold has been going kind of muddy for me. I don't know whether, maybe it's gone a bit thin in the bottle. It mixes a little bit more than it used to. Maybe I need to make up a new batch because that bottle's nearly empty. Okay, so let me bring the camera down and then you can see some of the cool details in this one. So there we go, looking kind of nice, I think. I always like to use complementary colours. I know they're kind of difficult and the chances are you're going to get some muddy bits, and yeah, I do. I have some bits that aren't, you know, pure colour anymore, where the blue and the orange have mixed. You know, here it's kind of a bit of a meh colour, but the shapes on it are nice. Yeah, there's lots of lovely cells. That swipey tool does really, really well. It's just what's called a silicone wedge, and with the little zigzaggy parts on it, it really swipes nicely. So I've got lovely colours in that section. And here, it's all really nice. So I like the edges. At the start of the swipe where there's more white, that's kind of nice, and then it goes all the way across over to the other side. It kind of gets darker, and then over this other side here you have the darkest, almost kind of like a green, and then it spills over the edge into the white there. It looks really nice. So each side is like a set of stripes. You have it where the paint spills over, then you have the white section, then the spilled section, and so on. It looks kind of nice. So even the edges are kind of pretty. So I think this one is a success. Definitely going to save these two. They're not going to end up on under the hose. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and doing a little bit of a swipe with me today and enjoying something a little bit different. It's always fun to make a couple of matching canvases. See you again soon, and please subscribe if you haven't done already, and check down under the video for in the description there's lots of useful information and links, and also please take note of the ways to say thank you section. Thank you very much.